We're in Dixboro, Michigan, and we have an opportunity to drive the new Sonata 2020 Limited. So let's go take a drive. Well, it doesn't take long to figure out that Hyundai has come up with a great little package here, full of value, full of great features. The limited edition that I'm driving today has all the standard features that you'd expect in the great vehicle. Plus, it has the digital key, which allows you to use your smartphone to start and drive the car. Color head-up display, blind spot view monitor with blind spot collision warning, and a remote smart parking assist, which means that if your car suddenly you find your car is parked between two very closely parked vehicles, you can actually have the car pull away for a few feet so you can get in the car. You have enough room when it pulls away between these vehicles to actually get inside the car. So it's just a great feature. The base price for the Sonata, the 2020 Sonata, is $23,400, but the version driving today, the Limited, is $33,300, and that comes with a lot of just so many great features, like a 2.5 liter engine, a standard 8-speed transmission, 32 miles per gallon combined, which is unbelievable. 8-inch LCD monitor, electronic parking brake, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane follow assist, driver attention warning, and smart cruise control with stop and go. You know, it's a great package. It's a really terrific car to drive, tremendous pickup, and loaded with value. Fantastic.